In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Microsoft Excel. If you have a PDF file that contains tables or structured data, Excel can help you bring that information into a spreadsheet. The goal is to get your PDF contents imported in a way that you can sort, filter, and work with just like any other Excel data. First, click the Data tab. This is where Excel places all of the tools for working with external data sources. When you select the Data tab, you should see an area called Get and Transform Data. That is the section we will use to start the import process from your PDF file. Next, click Get Data in the Get and Transform Data group. This opens a menu that gives you different ways to bring data into Excel. Take a moment to locate the Get Data button clearly, because everything after this depends on choosing the correct import option for PDF files. Now hover over From File and click From PDF. Hovering ensures you see the submenu related to file-based imports. Then choosing From PDF tells Excel you want to read the PDF and convert its contents into a form you can load into your worksheet. Once you select From PDF, Excel will open a file browser window. At this point, select your PDF file and click Import. Choose the correct document from your computer or connected drive, then confirm the import. After you click Import, Excel processes the file and prepares the available data for you to select. You may see a navigator window appear, which is where you decide which portion of the PDF you want to bring into Excel. When the navigator window appears, click the specific table or page icon. This step matters because many PDFs include multiple pages or several different table sections. The navigator window usually shows options that reflect what Excel detected in the PDF. Click the table or the page that matches the data you want to work with in Excel. If you select the correct table, you will get a clean preview of the information before it is loaded. After you have chosen the correct table or page, you are ready to bring the data into Excel. Click Load to output the data directly into your active worksheet. This means Excel will take the selected PDF content and place it into your spreadsheet right away. You can then immediately review the imported table, check that the columns and rows look right, and start using Excel tools such as sorting, filtering, or calculations. Once the data is loaded, you can treat it like any other Excel table. If any rows look misaligned, you would typically return to the selection step to choose a different table or page. But the main workflow remains the same. Import from PDF, select the correct table in the navigator, and load into your worksheet. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.